This morning it was 38 degrees when I came into work. So I couldn't wear my, I had to wear my sweater under my coat after I put the liner back in the coat. I did that yesterday. And I couldn't wear my other set of armor this morning. So I'm kind of disappointed about that. Now I just got my regular armored coat, and then I got my chest protector on with my neck brace. '67 Neil sent me a video the other day of a motorcycle vlogger. He was pretty much out misbehaving in the first place. He popped a wheelie at one point in his video, and I guess he was speeding too. But hell, I've been having trouble keeping the speed down myself lately. But evidently there was a marked unit behind him, and then an unmarked car pulled up alongside of him, and it was at a light. So the guy got out of the undercover cop got out of the car. And as the guy was getting out of the car, the vlogger started pushing his bike backwards. Which, I don't know about you guys, but if somebody gets out of the car right next to me, or right in front of me, and he's kind of angled into my lane, I'm thinking, what the hell's going on? So yeah, I'm going to start backing up too. Well, as the video goes on, the cop pulls his gun out. And it says something about identifying himself, and you know, it isn't like he pulled his gun out and was holding his badge out. He ran back to the bike and he grabbed it by the windshield like this and said, "Shut the bike off, shut the bike off." I heard that in the video. Well, this was in Maryland. They cited the vlogger for, I don't know, speeding or whatever it was else that he was doing, and cited him for illegal recording of law enforcement. Which, I tell you what, I've never heard anything like that. I sent the video from Neil to Suburban Rider, and Chuck basically is like, take that one to the Supreme Court, because if you're out taking pictures and somebody walks into your view, or, I mean, how many times when you're recording videos on your bike is there a cop car sitting at a stop sign and you're driving by it? Well, long story short, they went and got a warrant and went to the vlogger's house, confiscated 2 of his computers, 2 of his laptops, and his camera. Now, his camera was mounted up on top of his helmet. So it was in plain sight. How do the TV newscasters, how can they record the police? Now, granted, this guy posted it up on YouTube, which I think they have so far forced him to take it down, or he went and got a lawyer, and I think the lawyer advised him to take it off YouTube, which is probably a good thing, so he can use it for evidence both ways. I don't know, guys. I've never heard of such a thing. I don't think it's right. Why would the law enforcement be entitled to privacy any more than an average citizen? I mean, when I'm upstairs working the checkpoint, you can stand up there and film us. We don't like it, but you can stand up there and film us. There isn't anything that says we can confiscate your film or anything like that. Now, when I was in the Navy, if you were out filming something, filming or even taking pictures, they can confiscate your shit for that. But that's quite a bit different, I think, than and then that makes me wonder, well, how can they have a dash cam? I don't know, just my thoughts on this. I'm very, very shocked. So I'm going to have to talk to some of my police friends. I was going to do it today and I didn't get a chance to. Plus I didn't see an actual city cop in the airport today. We just had the airport guys. Now, since I started riding again in November of 2008, I've been pulled over twice, and both times I had a camera on. I didn't post them, but I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it, that he posted it on YouTube. So, that's my thoughts.